Which animals can survive the longest without eating? Crocodile can survive a month to over a year without eating. They can weigh almost 1,100 kilograms and they are bite force almost 3,300 psi per square inch. Next, the emperor penguin can survive up to 4 months while fasting to incubate their eggs. This is the best parents you ever had, the emperor penguin. Third, the bear. They can survive almost 5 to 7 months in hibernating without eating. Yes, literally. They eat a lot in summer to using their fat when they hibernation. The not but not least, the tardigrades, the immortal. They can live without eating almost 30 years up to 100 years. Yes. This literally not an animal, is an alien come from outer space. They can live in volcano, they can live in outer space.